Hey, smart people on YouTube. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. Nothing's changed. I break down the stocks that I was looking at for the day and how I would trade them or how I did trade them. So pretty much I did some good trades today, some really good ones, but I did one really bad trade today, and that's what kept me in the red today. So it sucks, but just gotta keep learning from it. Good thing I'm paper trading right now, so not using real cash yet, but maybe by next week I'll start using real cash and see how it goes. Now real quick, this is your first time joining the channel. This is just the average guy, although I'm anything but average, and this is what I do every morning. Break down the stocks, trading mostly stocks that are under $5, penny stocks, and let's jump right into it. So let's jump into the bad trade. Sint, S-I-N-T. I should have jumped in here on this third green candle. I saw that it was rising up. Could have made a good 8% here. Would have jumped in on this continuation here, continuation pattern. But I was like, oh, let me hold on and wait, cause my laptop took forever to boot up in the morning. It was just running real slow, and I had to get it back, jumping into speed, clear out the disk, do a little disk defrag. I mean, not disk defrag, but clean the registry and get it up to speed. So I just got my TD Amir I just got my TD Ameritrade up right at 9:29. So didn't really want to jump into anything too quick right in the morning, but I did jump into it at the wrong time here. SINT. I got in here while I was going green here. Should have, at least if I was gonna get in, should have got in here on the low here. The stochastics went below the min line here on the K. If I was gonna try to get in, could have made a good percentage gain if I would have got out on the wick. But I got in here on the wick, dropped down on me quickly. I was like, well, let me wait for the rebound here and see if I can get get some of my money back. Didn't do too well here, so I sold here at 257, I believe. See here, oh, 254. Really bad, really bad, really bad sell, really bad trade. Kept me in the red, definitely 10% drop. So kept me in the red today, but just gotta learn from it. Got to realize when off to a bad start, just you know, take a time out, really wait for perfect setup. I mean, none of this was below the min line, so I shouldn't have been looking at it at all. So just gotta learn from it. Broke support here, and it had a nice breakout here. So I was looking to sell around here, and then just kept dropping. I was like, God dang. But it's alright. So let's look at the good trades for today. Let's look at Yuma. Yuma had a really good day today. Got into it late also. Yuma had this nice dip here. 7-day RSI dip below the 25 just barely. You can see here at 932. Could have got in here on this green candle here at $3. 302 would have been a really nice price to get in at. And you can see it went all the way up to 20%. Bam. Had a nice pattern here that I recognize. A bull flag. I was waited for the pattern to break out. Got in here real late at 260. Bam. At the top of the candle. 260, really bad buy. Should have got in here around 250 at least, or 350, sorry. But I got in here at 360. So I calculated from my good buy. I didn't calculate from my stupid bad buy that I got in at the top of the candle and my percentage gain. I calculated where I should have got in at and how much percentage profit target I was looking for. So I was looking for 5% to protect. So I end up selling here at 366 right here. So that would have been a nice 5% if I would have got in at 350. But only made 6 cents on it. So getting late, end up late, So Just gotta watch it. But I end up getting back in here on this dip here. Dipped on the 7-day RSI. Had a dip on the K here on stochastics. Really nice. So I got in here at, take a look, 328. Bam, right here. Or it must have been the green candle right here. Sorry, 328. Got in right there, curled up. Saw that was 5%. So let me protect profit, no telling what it's gonna do, and good thing I did. It sold here at 341. At the bottom of the candle. It's alright though. You know, at least I protected my profit, didn't let it drop on me, and just made a little extra gain to add on to coming back from that loss that I had. So if I didn't make the really bad trade on Cent, would have been in the green today. So gotta learn to cool it down, wait for dips, don't buy just based on price action alone. And let's look at the one last trade I did, JAGX. Bam, JAGX. Saw that JAGX was making new highs here, going way above the pre-market activity. And I bought here at the min line of the K here. Saw that I was making a nice wick. Got in here at 127. And I just sold for a little 5% gain. Should have held out longer. But, you know, there's no telling. It didn't go below the min line on the 7-day RSI. So, didn't really fit the criteria of holding out for the max out. It definitely made a good percentage gain. I end up selling here on this red candle here at 133. And just kept that 5%. Just trying to come back from the loss on SINT. But let's look at JAGX. Had a really good move here. Nice uptrend. But let's look at overall market. SPY saw us making new highs earlier today. It's bouncing around right now. The trade talks are back on. Pretty much the news. And gold is going down. Okay. Well, that's all I got, you guys. That's all the trades I did for today. Let's see how I do tomorrow. Hopefully I can hit my goal. Take my time on these trades. Look for really, really good setups that I recognize. And just get it done. So I hope you guys are trading out there safely. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this every day. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.